Ama namin, maaari kaya?
Wives, submit to your husband as it's fitting in the Lord. Husband, love your wives and do not be harsh with them. Love is patient and kind and does not envy or boast. It is not proud of self-seeking. It is not easily angered. Love does not delight in evil but rejoice with the truth and always protect, trust, hope, and perseveres. And that is marriage. This afternoon, Kai and Jay, I will remind you, be patient always and love one another always. And be faithful